It's hella close.
Yay, we did it!
All right, that's it.
What you saw was me shooting our thumbnail.
Yes. So we're trying to catch the train, the famous train that comes down the middle of the street. It comes at 1:30, and it's like 1:29 now. So let's see if we can catch it.
Is it coming?
I don't know, he said around 1:30.
Right.
So we're gonna see.
Let's see.
So this is that alleyway where the train comes.
I've been wanting a Thai milk tea since we were in LA, but I haven't bought one because I couldn't find one without regular milk, and I still didn't. But I'm going to take a lactate pill from Junebug, but I think I could take one drink first. But look how cute this is.
Pretty cool.
It's so cute.
Yes.
I love this.
Let's probably take that latte pill now.
I think you're right.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're here waiting on a train.
Yes, at the Maeklong Railway, AKA life-threatening market.
Yes, because the train comes right in the middle of this area here. So, but we just left, what do you call it?
The floating market.
Floating market, it was pretty cool.
Damnyon Sadwak. It's known as one of the most famous floating markets, but it's very touristy, high tourist now. But people live on the river there, the floating market.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's one of those things where we weren't sure that we wanted to do it, and we weren't even sure when we got there. But once we were about 20 minutes in, then it became really cool. So we're gonna wait for the train, enjoy our food, we order some food and our drinks, and we'll come back. Bye.
Bye.
So yeah, this is the, what is it called?
It is stir-fried pork with basil.
Stir-fried pork with basil.
And a fried egg.
And a fried egg. Let's see what got going on here. It's pretty tasty.
It looks delicious.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Good.
Got an interesting taste.
Has like a sweet and spicy taste to it.
Yeah, pretty good.
I like it.
Yeah.
I bet it's different in different places,
Probably so.
but that's a good one. This looks different than any green curry that I've had. It has a little bit of the skin on the chicken. It's like chicken thighs. So I'm gonna try it. It smells really good though.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Very good. Oop.
Good.
It hits you, the spice hits you right after you take that first bite.
A little delayed spice action there.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Okay.
Right?
I respect it.
So this green curry has me sweating.
It's hella hot.
I said medium on the spice level, but I can barely have any of the curry sauce. And what I'm most happy about though is it's first delicious. It totally rivals the green curry. Actually, it's way better than the green curry I had in New York at this kind of fancy Thai restaurant.
Yeah, for sure.
And that one was almost $20 for the bowl of green curry, and this one was $2.60.
Yeah.
Like 90 Thai baht.
Yeah.
And I love that we can try whatever we want out here and we're not breaking the bank. You know how I love to save money?
Yes.
Sheena's happy.
Yes.
Here comes the train. This close to where we're eating. This close.
It's hella close.
Whoa.
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 That's really close.
This is very close. This is very close. Wow.
Wow.
This is wild.
Like this, our dinner's right here,
Yes.
and the
This is
train
how
is
close
right
we are.
here.
This is how close we are.
Oh yeah,
Hi.
we did it. That's hilarious. Look like he's trying to stop.
I know. Yay, we did it.
All right, that's it.
What you saw was me shooting our thumbnail.
Yes.
That was pretty cool.
That was cool.
Everything goes back to normal. How many times a day do they do this?
I don't know. That's pretty cool though.